Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So tonight I'm back with a DIY of how I make my body luminizer. So I'm using the Artist Couture highlighter in Conceited. I'm using a spatula and a empty bottle container along with rubbing alcohol and my Mario Badescu spray. Yes, the star of the show. You guys know I love a Mario Badescu spray. So here I'm just going in and I'm pouring in the Mario Badescu spray. The only thing that I would say, guys, is to measure this before you fill the bottle up, because where I went wrong was doing that. And why I mentioned that is because when I went and I added the highlighter, I didn't put enough into the container, as you guys can see here, and when I sprayed it on my skin, the highlighter wasn't showing up once it dried. So I went back in and I added more, which I went and I added too much more. So it's all about the measuring conventions of it. The only thing that's separated with this video is I went ahead and I used some argan oil into it as well, so you know it can lather my body and make me look all glowy and sensual. Yes guys, so as you guys can see, I am putting in the highlighter. Guys, this highlighter is freaking amazing even on its own. So I'm gonna be shaking up that bottle now just to make sure that everything is in place. And guys, I will be back with a video of me doing my final demo of the product, how it actually looks and how it's glowing on my skin, and I completely love it. So if you guys don't want to get the Fenty body lava, you can try this method. Love you guys. Okay, so I'm shaking it up and I'm gonna be spraying. Oh, alright, just wait 1 second. Let's see. I think I need to put more of the highlighter in there. Yeah, I think I need more highlighter. Okay guys, so I am back. I went ahead and I added a bit more, and I actually sprayed some on my face, and guys, you can see it actually went in my hair as well. Oh my gosh. Anyhow, so I added a bit more. One thing I would have to say, if you're gonna go in with it, I would just use a small container like this, but I wouldn't fill it up, because once you fill it up, then it requires a lot more product for you to get that full glow effect. So let's go in and see. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's like I am glowing all over. Ooh. Look at that, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna be rubbing that into my skin and just allowing it to dry for a bit. Guys, that is really pretty. That is really pretty. This Artist Couture is amazing. The only downfall I don't like with this is that I would try and get a bottle that has a better spray applicator, because the thing with this spray is that this is the what I didn't like with the Smashbox, is that once you spray it, it goes all over the place, and I don't like that. So that's why I always tend to just use my Mario Badescu spray. But guys, look at that glow. Look at that glow. Just look at that glow. Oh my gosh, I love this. Wow. Okay, so there you have it, guys. That is just a simple dupe with the summer that's coming up, that you can actually, you know, try to do a little body spray with glitter. And also for your face, I use it on my face. As you guys can see, I'm really glowing right now because a lot came off on my face, and it also ended up in my hair. I do not like this nozzle. So once my Mario Badescu bottle spray is finished, because I love the spray nozzle on that, so I would try and replace it in that bottle instead of using this one. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the